Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3 channel. Are your WhatsApp contacts suddenly showing up as just phone numbers instead of the saved names on your iPhone? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and it can usually be fixed quickly with a few simple steps. This problem typically happens when WhatsApp loses access to your iPhone's contacts, or when the contact list is not syncing correctly. It may also occur if your contacts are saved to an account like Gmail or iCloud that isn't properly synced with your device. Let's go step by step to fix it. Step 1. Check WhatsApp's access to your contacts. Open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap WhatsApp. Make sure the contacts permission is turned on. The toggle should be green. If this is turned off, WhatsApp can't read your contact list and will show only phone numbers. Step 2. Make sure your contacts are properly saved. Open the Contacts app on your iPhone and check whether the names that are missing in WhatsApp are saved there. If not, you may need to resave or edit the contact. Step 3. Refresh your contact sync. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Contacts. Select Accounts. Tap on the account where your contacts are stored, like iCloud or Gmail. Make sure the Contacts toggle is enabled. If it's already on, try turning it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on to refresh syncing. Step 4. Force close and reopen WhatsApp. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can fix display issues. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold, or tap Assistive Touch to appear Switcher app options. Then swipe up on WhatsApp to close it. Open it again and see the contact. Step 5. Restart your iPhone. This helps refresh the system and fix any temporary glitches that may be causing WhatsApp to misread your contact data. Step 6. Disable content and privacy restriction. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. Step 7. Reinstall WhatsApp only if necessary. If the problem still persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. Before doing this, make sure you back up your chats. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap Chats, click Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now. Once the backup is complete, delete the app, reinstall it from the App Store, log in, and restore your backup during setup. After following these steps, your contacts should display with names again instead of just numbers. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.